Someday, mama said, be something beautiful as I wait to sleep unafraid, waiting so patiently, so you'll see by my side. Voice I know so well, come what may now wait, comfortably waiting to be there someday by my side, by my side.